have come between us. Still I know you just don't care. And I said, what about breakfast at Tiffany? She said, I think I remember the film, and is that it called that thing? People kinda liked it. And I said, well, that's the one thing you got. See through me. Well, I guess I was wrong. So what now? Let's bring to see we're over. And I said, what about breakfast at Tiffany? She said, I think I remember the film, and is that it called that thing? People kinda liked it. And I said, well, that's the one thing you got. People say that we've got nothing in common and no common ground to start from. We're falling apart.